Meaning of deterioration.
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 Deterioration. Deterioration refers to the process of something becoming progressively worse over time. This can apply to various aspects, such as health, relationships, equipment, buildings, and environment. The result of deterioration is a decline or degradation in the overall quality, appearance, performance or functioning of the affected object or system. It may lead to increased maintenance costs, reduced productivity, loss of value, or even complete failure. Deterioration can be caused by factors such as wear and tear, aging, exposure to harsh conditions, lack of maintenance or improper use.